Hello. In this video, we're going to compare the SAMI VBS mechanical vibration switch with the MS60 mechanical switch from Yekan. Size-wise, as you can see in the video, they are almost identical. Weight-wise, both are around 2 kilograms. The operating range of the SAMI switch is approximately 0 to 5.5 G, which changes over time because mechanical switches work based on spring and magnet systems. The operating range for Yekan MS60 is 0 to 4.5 G. The resolution of the SAMI switch is approximately 0.5 to 0.75 G, which means you can accurately set a 1 G set point. It fluctuates between about 0.75 to 0.77 G. The datasheet doesn't specify this, and we found it out through hands-on testing using a shaker. On the other hand, the MS60 Yekan switch has a resolution of 0.2 G, meaning you can define a set point of 1 G, and it will adjust in steps of 0.2 G, which is a great feature indicating high resolution. The working frequency range of the SAMI switch is 0 to 60 Hz, while the MS60 Yekan switch operates from 0 to 300 Hz. Both models are available in SPDT and DPDT contact types and can be selected based on your custom order. Both models are EX and IEPE. The sensitive axis of the Yekan switch is in this direction, while the SAMI switch's sensitive axis is in the horizontal direction. So, when installing the SAMI switch, you'll need an L-shaped bracket mounted on the back, placing the switch face down. But for the Yekan mechanical switch, since its sensitive axis is already aligned correctly, you don't need to install an L bracket. It can directly detect vibrations from the base surface and perform protection. Now, for the SAMI switch, you use this L bracket. For the MS60 Yekan, we've defined various mounting brackets. This bracket here converts the MS60 mounting to fit the SAMI switch. You can order different brackets as needed. For example, this bracket fits metrics. This one fits Murphy, and this is the one you see for SAMI. If you pay attention to the mounting holes, they're perfectly aligned, which means you can remove the SAMI VBS switch and replace it with the Yekan mechanical switch without any changes to your existing hole pattern or setup. Now let's take a look at the local reset for both. The local reset for Yekan is located here, and the one for SAMI is in this position. To set the SAMI switch, you need to loosen this nut and adjust this external screw. That's how you set the set point. For Yekan, the set point adjustment is right here, as shown. Now I'll open the covers for both and show you inside. Inside the SAMI cover, there's a label that shows you the coil reset terminals for remote reset, as well as the SPDT contact wiring. You can clearly see the normally open, normally closed, and common terminals, along with the remote reset point. Inside the Yekan switch, it tells you to refer to the installation manual on the Yekan website, but more conveniently, the contacts are clearly labeled right here. This model is also SPDT, and this is the remote reset, which is described. Talking about the internal layout, in the MS60 Yekan switch, we've added a durable protective board to block operator access to internal parts. So, if someone accidentally hits the switch with a screwdriver, it won't damage the internals or interfere with the wiring. But in the SAMI switch, it uses just a terminal block and everything is fully exposed and accessible. For the remote reset in the SAMI switch, you must order it from the factory. For example, 110 volts, 220 volts, 48 volts, or 24 volts DC options. But in the MS60 Yekan datasheet, you'll find options for 24 volts DC, 48 volts DC, 110 volts DC, 110 volts AC, and 220 volts AC. So, whatever voltage you were using previously, you can easily order it the same and just reconnect your wires to this terminal without any rewiring. Finally, the Yekan switch comes with warranty and after-sales service, which means in case of component failure, you can easily replace parts. Another important point is that Yekan is a certified calibration company with a 17025 certificate, operating under the Standards Organization. So, when you order the Yekan switch, you can also define your desired factory set point. For example, if you want your switch to be set at 1.5 G, the factory will calibrate and certify it and deliver it to you accordingly. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.